So today we have a really challenging case of this very sweet little boy. And he has had one surgery where they inserted a cadaver rib reconstruction under this skin. You can see they still has hair growing on top of here. The ear doesn't have any shape that looks very ear-like. So we're gonna take this out and replace it with a 3D implant. But although his arteries seem like his flap here is gonna be very good, my real concern is that they placed an osseous at the same time, and I need this tissue to live, and I'm just not sure when they made an incision here and placed this that will be okay. So we'll be trying to figure all that out in the OR today. So this is what we removed from this young child. This is made of cadaveric rib. You can see it is really, there's no actual structure to this. I don't know what happened to it exactly, but you know, it's almost chewed up and has no integrity. What we're going to replace it with is this, so you can see even just in size, this is a mirror image of the opposite ear, and obviously there's very little resemblance.